Pat Poynton has loved plants since her youth, and in 1998 began to create her landmark garden 2.5 hours south of Perth in Western Australia in the Margaret River region. Though not the original intention, this garden now regularly is used as a wedding venue and has periodically been used for special workshops and public open days. The garden began with a formal entrance and courtyard designed by renowned landscape designer Paul Bangay from Victoria, and has since been expanded to reflect the diverse range of plants and gardens that Pat encountered throughout her life.